Well, safe to say that's arrived. The bloody size of it. Yes guys, welcome back to this week's video. This week I'm going to be finishing off the heat shield situation I've got going on, and then hopefully fitting a splitter. So let's get cracking. First off, this is the finished product. Got some gold tape around there. Again, as I said in the last video guys, I'm not doing this for cold air. I'm not doing this for keeping air intake temperatures down. I'm just doing it because I like the look of it, and the gold tape just adds a little bit of extra flair to the engine bay, really, doesn't it? You know, we've got that there, so you're going to go around the edge of that. I'll do that quickly. I've got to unplug that and then plug that one in, and then obviously turn that around so that we can actually fit this, because obviously it's not going to go with that in the way. So there we have it. That is my version of a heat shield, somewhat fitted. Also, thank you to everyone that messaged me on Instagram about the MAF extensions. I've gone for a TX Autosport one. It was 25 quid. There were cheaper ones available, but some people were saying they got codes, engine management lights and things like that. So I just thought, well, if I spend the extra, hopefully it will be okay. So I'll let you guys know later on, further down the line, how I get on with that. Hopefully it doesn't throw up any engine codes or anything like that, so we'll see. Hopefully now we can get onto something fun. It's been a couple of days. Engine management lights so far has not come on with the MAF extension, so I'm hoping, kind of thinking that's okay. I'm pretty sure if something was going to have made it come on, it would have done by now, and it hasn't, so we're all good there. Now, here we have something that I've been waiting for a couple of weeks now. So yeah, let's dive straight in, open this up and get it fitted on the car. Isn't that beautiful? Nice lovely gloss black, and it's not little snappy plastic, it is fiberglass, so it should be a lot more durable, which is one of the reasons I went for this one over the Maxton, and obviously hardware supplied. So we've got a couple of holes in and about. There's one in the middle, that's 3 down that side, hardware for it. So let's get out the front, stick it on the car. So that's kind of what it's going to look like before, and let's quickly do a little transition to after. I know I said I'd get this on, but I've just gone to put that on and there's no actual holes. Forgot I'm going to have to drill the holes, aren't I, in the bumper for the mounting points. So brought it in, bit the bumper off, do it on the floor. That is me all done. I'll spin you around now, show you how it looks. I'm really happy with this. I think it's transformed the front end of the car no end, and I'm so much happier with how it looks now. Before, when I think about it, it looked a little lost, but with a splitter they look awesome. Enough talk, I'll spin you around. thank you for watching, guys. It's only been a short one, I think, but this is all I've had to do so far. So hope you enjoy. Links in the description below. Check them out, and hope you enjoy how it looks.